Friends, in this video I'll show you a simple way to create a flower in Blender. So first to delete this default mesh, shift A and choose plane. Just move the plane. Change the size of plane and scale it in X axis. Go to edit mode, change the design of this plane as per as requirement. Like this or anything you like to create. Then simply go to object mode. Before that select this plane and press Ctrl A and alt transformation. Just create or take one modifier, add one modifier array. As much as leave you required, you can change the count like 5 6 7 6. Uncheck relative offset and click on object offset and okay. Before that you need to create one empty object. Shift A, empty plane axis. Great. Click on this and then choose empty and rotate it. Press R and Z like this. Yes, it is created. You can just change the position of this flower. Oh, like this or like this. Select shift A and you can take cylinder. Change the size of this cylinder and scale it in Z direction as Z, like this, or you can also move it this. Click it and add one modifier like subdivision surface. It's not a perfect flower, but you can create if you give some more time to this. And you can also add colors by going in these options. So friends, that's it.